Hello guys. Today I'm gonna teach you how to install Kali Linux in VMware Workstation. Go to this URL. Link will be available in the description. Download OVA file. You can either download it using torrent or you can download it directly. I already have downloaded it. After downloading, open VMware Workstation. Click on Open Virtual Machine. Now select your downloaded package. Choose destination. I'll choose the same location. Click on Import. Importing will take some time. Now it has imported all files. Now we'll edit some settings. I'll choose according to my system's hardware. Choose bridged connection from network settings. Also check replicate connection option. Now power on your virtual machine. Click enter. Type root as username and tour as password. Update repositories and update all other tools using these commands. Restart Kali after updating. Then you'll be ready to go.